My name is Dr. Joshua Hartzell. I'm from Orange County, California, and I am the CEO of DLTA Technologies. Really what makes DLTA machines different is that they're fully computer automated. So they're controlled with pneumatic valves, and that's a good thing to have because in a Class 1 Division 1 environment, which is where these machines need to be operated in, it's an explosion-proof, fire-rated room. And you can't have electrical signals in there. So what we do is we have valves that are fired by compressed air, and that's much safer of an environment than having an electrically signaled valve. So that's very unique to us. The other things that make DLTA unique is the scale at which you can produce oil. Our MK710 is our larger model. It's 554 liter system. So that's 240 pounds of plant material that you can fit in the system per run. It's broken up into 4 separate quadrants so that you can run different extracts in different quadrants. So if you wanted to run strain A on quadrant 1, strain B on quadrant 2, and then you wanted to make various types of concentrates on quadrant C and quadrant D, you can do that as well. The system is fully integrated into the internet, so if something happens, it will email you. It's a lot of safety features built in. There's gas sniffers in the room and outside, so that, if it detects gas, it will actually send you an email. You can monitor it from an iPad or your smartphone. The system is very modular. It can be moved around. It's designed for high throughput efficiency, meaning that you can actually do the winterizations in the same extraction pots that you have. The gas tank, the extraction tubes, and the collection pots are all jacketed so that you can run heat transfer fluid or cooling fluid through the outside of the tank. The tanks have an outer layer of fiberglass on them so that when you are heating or cooling, you don't lose that cooling capacity to just the atmosphere. So for example, if you go below 0 degrees Celsius on a gas tank or an extraction tube, they tend to sweat and they build up moisture that can actually fall into the ground. So what we've done is, like a Yeti cooler or something like that, we've put fiberglass insulation around it. You can't see the fiberglass, it's jacketed with stainless steel. That prevents any sweating and also keeps in very cold temperatures. We have upgradable options where you can have a live resin package, is what we call it, where you can go down to negative 50 degrees Celsius on your extraction tubes and on your gas tanks, and those type of temperatures would generally cause ice to build up around your gas tank and your extraction tubes. So the insulative fiberglass prevents that from happening. Also, since it is computer controlled, there's a lot of nice features as far as data management and reporting that a lot of executives may find useful. So every single time the runs are consistent because you program those parameters into the computer. So if you tell the computer to recover down to a certain pressure point or a certain time point, those triggers are met every single time. And in fact, at the end of the run, you're emailed a CSV file that you can attach to quality management system batch records that make the life of an employee much better, which is another nice feature. Since it's automated, you minimize your employee count and it runs with no one needing to be in the room at all, which is also very safe.
For more information, check out DLTA9technologies.com. There's lots of videos and additional information that's available on there.